Hey queen, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, hey sis, hey. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a wash day routine for low porosity hair. Now sis, let me tell you, like I really thought that I was high porosity and I was doing my hair all wrong. But once I learned that I was low porosity, I changed up my routine and here is what I did. So of course with low porosity hair, you have to make sure that your hair is saturated before you add your shampoo. I see a lot of videos on YouTube where they just rinse their hair for a little bit and then they add their shampoo. No, you have to saturate your hair and make sure that it is all the way wet. Now saturating your hair can take up to like 5 to 10 minutes. I don't know about you sis, but watching wash day routines is just so satisfying and relaxing. Comment down below if you like these type of videos because I definitely will do more. And then once you finish saturating your hair, you're going to add your clarifying shampoo. What I'll be using is the Dove Scalp and Hair Therapy Clarifying Shampoo. And I love this. This was my first time trying this shampoo and I was in love. And what I loved about it was the consistency of it, and it made my hair feel so clean, and that's what you want in a clarifying shampoo. Now in my old routine, what I didn't do was section my hair in fours. So today we are sectioning our hair in fours and making sure that our hair is cleansed throughout our whole head, and not just washing our hair on the top, but making sure that we get in the middle of our head and making sure that we get underneath everywhere. We're going to make sure that all of our hair is cleansed. And please don't mind my underarms. I know I gotta shave. Every time I have my wash days, I'm always jamming in the shower. I like to listen to Sade. I just like to relax when I'm in the shower and just feel like I'm doing a self-care routine, because this is what it basically is a self-care routine. So next I'm going in with the Kinky Curly Come Clean Moisturizing Shampoo. I like to do a clarifying shampoo for the first wash and a moisturizing shampoo for the second wash, just because I want to bring back that moisture into my hair before I put my deep conditioner in. So you don't have to do that. You can clarify your hair twice. Sis, when I tell you, this shampoo had my hair feeling so soft. Even before I put the deep conditioner in, I was like surprised. This was my first time trying out this product as well. But because I did change my wash day routine, I also changed my products just to like test out what my hair likes, and I think I've definitely found my go-to products. So when you're first starting out your natural hair journey, or when you first figured out how to properly moisturize your hair, you want to make sure that you find products that your hair will love. In the beginning it's going to be like kind of annoying because you're going to be buying a lot of products, but once you find your go-to products, stick to those products and you're going to see the results. Now you can really tell when your hair likes a product by the way it reacts to the product. It definitely takes trial and error, but I know you'll get it, sis. Okay, so after rinsing out the second shampoo, I'm going to go in with Camille Rose Cocoa and Mango Butter Deep Conditioner. This conditioner, I was impressed. Like, I'm never impressed by a product, but this conditioner, I was very impressed. And you can see it on my face. Like, I was super impressed by the way it just glided on my hair and just melted my curls. I was so shocked. And I'm using a unbrush. Now this is the brush that you've seen on TikTok, the viral brush that went on TikTok. This brush works and I love this brush. I don't go without this brush on any wash day. Like every wash day I need to have my unbrush. This is the only brush that I'm going to be using. The only tool, this and my fingers, is the only tool that I'm going to be using in the shower. I'm not using a comb, I'm not using another brush, I'm just using the unbrush and my fingers. So after you applied your deep conditioner to all 4 sections, you're going to put on a shower cap. I like to use the disposable shower cap. You can get them on Amazon and I'll have a link down below. Now if you don't have a hooded dryer, sis, you need to get you a portable dryer. Now this one, it connects to your regular handheld dryer, so it's very movable and you're able to just, you know, dry your hair anywhere. Just plug it in and dry your hair. It's also great if you're traveling somewhere and you want to deep condition your hair. Definitely get you this portable dryer. So I stay under the dryer for 30 minutes and then I rinse out my deep conditioner in the shower again. Now you don't have to get back in the shower. You could just rinse your hair out in the sink, but I prefer to just get back in the shower. So next I'm just going to be adding my leave-in conditioner. I like to make sure that I put my leave-in conditioner in my hair when it's wet. Okay, you want to make sure that your hair is wet when you have your leave-in conditioner. Do not leave the shower without your leave-in conditioner in your hair. You want to make sure you're using warm water only, and the conditioner that I'm going to be using is Kinky Curly Not Today. This is the go-to, like, this is the OG leave-in conditioner that everybody loves, and I love it as well. Do not leave your shower without the leave-in conditioner in your hair, because you want to make sure that the leave-in conditioner is soaking up all of that moisture. And when you get out the shower, you're going to see how moisturized your hair is. Like, look at my hair. Like, it looks so good. Like, you can't see no product on top of my hair, and that's what you want. Like, you want your leave-in conditioner to not sit on top of your hair, and you want it to be soaked into your hair. So what I like to do is use the LCO method. Well, since we already put the leave-in in our hair, we're going to use warm water in a bottle to activate the leave-in again, because when you get out the shower, your hair is getting cooled off. So you want to make sure that you use warm water to make sure that your hair is retaining all that moisture by opening up those cuticles. Being that we are low porosity, sis, we need to make sure that our cuticles are open so that we can receive the products. Because if our cuticles are closed, then our hair is just going to end up dry and the products are just going to sit on top of our hair. So in order to make sure that we get the moisture that we need, we want to make sure that we're putting our products in while our hair is wet. So after you put the warm water back in our hair, we're going to put a cream and a lightweight oil, because a thick oil will definitely weigh down your hair. That's the order that I'm going in with moisturizing my hair. I find that that's the best, you know, technique for me. You know, a lot of women like to use the LOC method, but I like to use the LCO method because I feel like an oil is meant to seal your hair, seal that moisture in. So if I put the oil before the cream, I feel like it's not going to do its job. So with me, I like to do the LCO method. And then after I finish moisturizing my hair, I basically just twist up my hair and put on a wig or do a protective styling. I like to make sure that my hair is moisturized before I style my hair. That's the main goal. Now you know you did your job when you don't see any product on top, sitting on top of your hair. You know that your hair has absorbed the products. Okay, sis, this is the end of this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and found it very informational. If you like this video, make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.